Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. Thank you very much. Today you will learn how to put someone number or how to put someone account on your bio secretly. So first you type any name or any person that you want to put his number on your bio. So let's go. So you type any name that you want to put on your bio. So when you type this in the name come, you go to three dots. You click on the three dots. You click on the profile link. So you click on the profile link. You go back. You go back to your profile. You go to bio. To your profile, you go to your profile. Go to edit profile. Edit profile. You go to bio. And you paste the name. But first, you delete and remain the numbers. You delete the rest and remain the numbers. You delete this. Remain the numbers. So you put at. You put this one. Put 99. Put this one. Put my love. Any name. Me, I prefer using my love, but you can also use different name. And you save it. Yes. When you save it, you refresh your destiny. You refresh. So it is easy. Anytime you click on the link, so this is how it is. This is how it is. Thank you very much for watching my video. Kindly subscribe to it.